All right, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. All right, gang. So as you can see, price ended for February the 4th, 2022 at 1807. Okay, so we're just gonna break down this move one more time. And then I'm gonna show you the 1 hour as well and the 4 hours so you can see it on a higher time frame. All right, gang. So it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. All right, gang. So as you can see, this was January 31st where we see this uptrend all the way with this uptrend from January 31st from 1795, great trade one, 1797, great trade two, all the way up to 1808. You could have got in right here at trade one and trade two, boom, in the middle. As you can see, this is where you lose the most money at though. In the middle, you lose the most money. This is a great trade one and great trade two. You could also have gotten at trade one and trade two at 1799 and 1800 all the way up to 1808, as that's a lot of pips. And depending on your lot size, that still could have been easy 500, 1,000, 3,000, 10 grand a trade. In one day, you could have made that from February the 1st, from January 31st all the way up to February the 1st. You could have made 10 grand, 1,000, 2,500 in one day in one trade. So you still could have gotten in at trade one at 1799 and trade two at 1801 and rolled it up to 1808. And still had made about 10 grand, 1,000, 2,000 easily from here from great trade one and great trade two. You could have easily made 500 from all the way up to 1808. From 1795, 1797 to 1808, yes, you could have easily made that money too as well. Boom. Okay, so this is where you make the most money at. This is where you make the most money at. This is where you lose the most money at in the middle. So you could have still made that money. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but just know once price gets to take profit two, once it gets to our psychological level or take profit two level, get out of the trade as price will reverse back down on you and it will stop you out of this trade and take all your money. As you can see, once price got to 1808, price reversed it back down and got everybody out of this trade. As you can see, after a period consolidation, this is consolidation right here. Price will consolidate after getting up from an uptrend from great trade one all the way up to 1708. I mean 1808. Take profit two from take profit three to take profit two. Price will consolidate. You can see price is consolidating before heading back down, and then it'll head back up. And then it headed back down. Eventually got everybody out the trade at 1794. This was February the 2nd, 2022. So you would have had wanted to get out of this trade at trade one and trade two. As you can see, price started consolidating once the price got to take profit two from take profit three area. This is all take profit three area. Once price got to take profit two area, it got above take profit two area a little bit, and then it shot back down. We see a consolidation right here. Boom, it was consolidating a little bit on the 15-minute, and then it shot back down past trade one and past trade two and trade one, getting you out the trade. All right, so you have to pay special attention to that as price will do that, and then it will get you out the trade. And then if it didn't get you out the trade, it would have it would have like took most of your money, or you'd have been in a negative, and it would have took most of your money. So to avoid that, it's just better just to wait for price to retest back, wait for price to retest back up. I mean retest back down. Wait for price to retest back down to take profit three, and then you could have got in right here for great trade one and great trade two over here. As you missed this trade, like you could have got in at trade one and trade two, but just get out as price will stop you out. It went back up. You could have made your money back here on February the 1st, 2022. You could have made your money because it went back to take profit two if you had enough money in your account to hold from trade two and trade one all the way down to 1797. If you had enough money in your account, price did go back up to take profit two. Boom, once price goes back up to take profit two, 1805 area, 1804 area, boom, get out the trade. Boom, as you can see, price heads back down. Immediately, we're in a downtrend from February 1st to February the 2nd. We're in a downtrend from take profit two to take profit three. We're in a downtrend, and it stops everybody out the trade anyhow. It gets everybody out the trade. It takes everybody money. The bank will do this. It will take all your money, get everybody out the trade, and now you really lost your money when you had when price did head back up to take profit two. It gave you a chance to make your money back. So the same thing, price will do that. As price after an uptrend like this, after price was in a nice uptrend from great trade one and great trade two, even from trade one and trade two all the way up to 1808, that's a nice uptrend. After price is in the uptrend, it will retest back down, head back up, give you a second chance, and before heading back down, retesting all the way back down from take profit 2 to the previous take profit level, which is take profit 3, our psychological level at 1794, 1795, 1796 area. Price goes all the way down to 1794, gets everybody out the trade. Boom. So will have want to take your money as price will retest after a major uptrend. As you can see, a major uptrend from 1795 to 1808. You want to get out the trade as price retested back down to take profit 3 at 1794, all the way up from 1808 all the way down to 794. Price was in a nice downtrend for a day from February the 1st to February the 2nd, all the way down to 1794, take profit 3 area from 1808. This is where it started at. After this uptrend, we see a consolidation, and then we see a nice downtrend for the next day or two, all the way down to 1794, take profit 3. So you just could have just waited. If you had missed out on this right here, the next thing you could have did was just waited for price to retest back down, and you could have got in for grade trade 1 and grade trade 2 and rolled it back up from 1794 all the way back up to 1810. All the way up to 1810. As you can see, once price gets to 1810, what will price do? It will start to consolidate. Once price goes from 1794 all the way up to 1810, price will do what? Consolidate, as you can see over here as well. Once price got all the way up to this uptrend, price will consolidate and head back down and retest back down. As you can see here, after this uptrend from 1794, great trade 1, great trade 2, you could have even got in at trade 1 and trade 2 at 1800 and 1802, rolled it all the way up to 1810, depending on your lot size, because still could have been another 10 grand right there, 5 grand, 2 grand, 500 at the most. And what does price do once it gets from 1794 all the way up to 1810? What does price do? It starts to consolidate. Boom. It breaks out of consolidation, and we see what? A even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick. It breaks this trend line, and price does what? Boom. It breaks back down to take profit 3. As price will do that. After price goes up, after a major uptrend from 1794, from February the 2nd to February the 2nd, from for that whole day, it was an uptrend to 1810. After a price is in an uptrend, price will retest back down, give you some type of candlestick pattern. We see our even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick, and then it breaks this trend line and heads all the way back down to what? 1788, gets everybody out the trade. As price will do that, price will retest after being in an uptrend. As you can see, price was in an uptrend from January 31st, 2022. Price was still in an uptrend. It just retested back down on February the 1st to February the 2nd. But from January 31st, it was still in an uptrend. This was where this uptrend started at, January the 31st, 2022 to February 1st, 2022, and then it retested back down to 1794, and it picked it right back up. This uptrend is still in effect. We're still in an uptrend. Boom, as you can see, it goes back up to 1810, higher than where it was previous at 1808. It goes to 1810 up here, higher, way higher than it was at 1808. Boom, we're still in an uptrend, as you can see. Once price shows us we're still in this uptrend, as you know, we continue this uptrend on February 2nd all the way up to February 2nd at 1810 for the day. We're in a nice uptrend. After this uptrend, price will consolidate. You can see price is consolidating. We don't really see no structure. We don't really see no structure. Price is just consolidating right here. Boom, it finally breaks consolidation. Boom, finally breaks this box of consolidation. And we see an even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick. This is one of our candlestick patterns that we will find at the top of our take profit level, at the top of an uptrend. You'll find this even star pattern. Let us know that price wants to what? Break back down. And what does price do? It retests all the way back down after seeing this even star pattern, all the way back down to 1788, going past all our trades. And then what does price do? Boom, it retests back up. It heads back up and continues this uptrend. So price will do the same thing over and over again. As you can see, what? Price went after an uptrend, this nice uptrend, price will consolidate again, and then what? Retest back down, all the way back down, boom, and then what? Head back up, and continue this uptrend. So the same pattern happened over and over and over again, gang. All right, so I just wanted to go over that. I will break it down again one more time. All right, gang.